Have you ever felt overwhelmed during a pre-flight check? What if I told you there's a simple trick that can make your pre-flight routine smooth sailing? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the secret weapon every pilot swears by.
Secret weapon?
The Aero Mnemonic. Aero stands for 5 crucial elements you must verify before takeoff. Nail these, and your pre-flight routine will be stress-free. First up, A for Airworthiness Certificate. This is essentially your aircraft's green light, confirming it's been inspected and maintained according to regulations. Think of it as your plane's license to fly.
Poetic license.
Next, R for radio license. While regulations might vary depending on location, having a radio license ensures you can communicate clearly with air traffic control, keeping everyone in the sky safe and organized. Note, this is mainly for those flying outside of the United States. The second R is for registration. This unique code identifies your aircraft in the air, just like a license plate for a car. Air traffic control and other pilots rely on this identification. Now, O stands for Operating Handbook. This comprehensive manual is your aircraft's Bible. From performance limitations to emergency procedures, it covers everything you need to know about your specific plane. Familiarize yourself with it. It's an invaluable resource. Finally, W is for weight and balance. Proper loading of your aircraft is critical for safe flight. Uneven weight distribution can affect handling, so always ensure a balanced load using weight and balance calculations. See? With Aero, you're systematically covering everything for a safe takeoff. No more last-minute scrambles, just a smooth, well-prepared flight. So, future pilots, remember Aero. It's a small mnemonic with a big impact. Fly safe and see you in the skies.